Hello guys, so today we are here to do a look with this new palette from Lighthing Cosmetics. This is the Berlin 89 palette. I did a look on Instagram already and I've used this shade, this shade, and this shade here. So today maybe we can start swatching the palette. The first color is Transit, East and West, THF and Zone. I will put on the back of my hand. These shades are not really creamy. As you can see, the Transit is a very light shimmery shade. I love it so much. Then we have a Republic Blog, Breakthrough and Sputnik. Okay, so Republic is this mustardy shade. Maybe we can just adjust the light. Oh yes, much better. Block, okay. Breakthrough is a shifting duochrome. You see, this is such a beautiful shade. And then Sputnik, it's a matte red. And then we have Prefab, this is a gray, Reunion, Berlin and Checkpoint. So Prefab, it's a gray tone. I love this kind of tone actually. Then we have Reunion, it's a goldy shade. Then we have Berlin, it's orangey shade, and Checkpoint, it's a light purple shade. So these are the shade. Oh, this shade here is everything. I love it so much. I've used this one yesterday, so I will not use today, unfortunately. So this is the palette. The palette is has a very particular color scheme. I think it's not very easy to everybody. As soon as you see the palette, I don't think you can see the looks, but I think, okay, my opinion is that you need to think about what you will do with the palette. Is this a good thing or is this a bad thing? It's up to you. It's not an issue for me. I can put together colors, even though the color scheme is not so much easily thinking about a look. I start with one shade, and while doing the look I will add more. Is this of any sense to you? I don't know. I hope so. I hope you understand what I was meaning to say. It's very difficult. Okay, let's start applying some eye primer. This is the Fenty one. What's on my face? On my face there is the new She Glam primer, birthday skin primer. I have a dedicated video about it. Then there is the Estée Lauder Double Wear. The shade is 1N1 Ivory Nude. Then we have the powder. The concealer is from Morphe 2. The powder is from Illamasqua. The blush is from Catrice. The contour shade is from Mulac. The highlighter is from Glam Shop. Okay, let's start with THF. And let's blend from the crease upwards this way. Okay. Okay, this way. Okay, with another brush we go ahead with Sputnik. Okay, just blending upwards a little bit, and with a smaller brush let's go with Berlin, this orangey shade. We're almost done, I think. Let's try to clean underneath the eye. And this is impossible. Let me try. Okay, I did get it right. I tried to recover the fallout in some way. I will apply a little bit of transit in the inner corner with a small brush, hoping this one is clean. You see, just a little point this way. And underneath the eyelashes, what kind of shade we can put? We can put Republic, so that we have black, we have red, we have yellow, we have the Germany flag. Okay, let's pick up a small brush and let's add a little bit of Republic underneath the eye. It's not so visible actually. Maybe it's better. Okay, yeah, not really satisfied about the yellow under the eye. Let me check. Maybe it's not so bad too. I'd like to try to bring the shade a little bit up here. And here too. Let's see, I'm not sure. I don't know what I'm doing actually. We can apply a little bit of eyeliner, of course. Let me go ahead with eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be okay. This is the final look. I like how the primer and foundation are together. You see, this is very natural, and we will be back in the next hours for 2 times. I hope I remember. I will put some alarm on my phone to check let's say noon, and let's say after dinner or before dinner. I will see. This is the final look. As you can see, it's very cute and light and luminous. I love it. Okay, see you soon in the next hours, and bye guys. Hi guys, so it's 11, sorry, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm going to start again working my working hours. I kept the face mask on my face for half an hour going to the doctor, and I haven't reapplied anything unless my panning lipstick, this shade here. So this is the only new thing I have reapplied during the day, and we are going to have natural light so you can see how it looks. It's a little bit oily in this area, but this is the area where I pinch my face mask so that the makeup is removed from my face by the face mask. But look on my chin, everything is perfect, and we can just let me light on the light on my face line, expression line. Okay, my mascara creased a little bit, yes, but look on my face makeup is still here after more than 6 hours, 7 hours. So look on my forehead. I think the forehead is perfect, still perfect. So we will see at the end of the day how it's going, and see you back in let me say 5 hours more or less. Bye guys, see you soon.